Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you will be receiving the notification for our upcoming videos. In this video today we are going to talk about iPhone X and XS Max. The missing features will finally be enabled this week. Make sure you update your new iPhone. Apple looks set to roll out iOS 12.1 to iPhone and iPad owners worldwide after it wraps up its hotly anticipated hardware event on Tuesday, October 30, 2018. The new operating system update brings a slew of new features, including more than 70 new emojis characters, redesigns artists' page in Apple Music, and group calls on FaceTime with up to 32 people simultaneously. However, iOS 12.1 particularly important to those with an iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR, as it's finally added a feature initially announced during the iPhone event in September. With iOS 12.1, Apple introduced the ability to use the dual SIM feature announced exclusively for its latest handsets, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR. These models are the first Apple smartphones to include an inbuilt electronic SIM card, also known as eSIM. This secondary SIM allows iPhone users to add another number that works alongside the number already associated with their handset. The second number will be able to make and receive calls as well as send and receive text messages. This means iPhone owners will be able to keep a work and personal number on the same device. It also means anyone who owns an iPhone who travels to a foreign country will be able to sign up to a plan with a local carrier using eSIM. To set up eSIM, Apple users will need to scan a QR code with their iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max or iPhone XR that automatically fills out the necessary account information and activities the electronic SIM. Given that, Apple recently updated the official iOS 12 users guide with a number of features set to that with iOS 12.1. It seems like the public release is imminent. However, until the company confirms the iOS 12.1 release date, it's worth taking the latest reports with the healthy pinch of salt. So this is what we know till now regarding iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR and their features. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so you will receive our videos consistently. Also comment in the comment section if you really would like to know any other information regarding iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max or iPhone XR in the future. We appreciate your comments and also share with your family and friends. Till the next video, peace out. Take care. Bye bye.